Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how to use window tiling on macOS. So without further ado, let's get started. Window tiling is a feature on macOS that allows you to use multiple windows side by side. Let me show you how. Simply open any application. Now click and hold the application and drag it to the corner of your screen. This will also show you an outline. And release the mouse and it will get tiled. Similarly, you can also tile other application. Simply click and hold and drag to the corner and release it. As you can see here, there is also another method. For that, simply select the application, hover your mouse to the green icon, and here we have Move and Resize, Fill and Arrange option. Use this option to tile your window. So that's it. This is how you can use window tiling feature on macOS. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.